In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp and Clockify 2026, step by step. We'll set this up using Zapier, which is the most common and straightforward way to connect these two apps, so time tracking stays in sync with your tasks. By the end, your ClickUp activity will automatically create or start time entries in Clockify, saving you clicks and keeping your reports accurate. First, go to Zapier and either sign up or log in. You'll only need a few minutes, and once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. From there, click Create Zap. A zap is just an automation that listens for something in one app and performs an action in another. For the trigger, choose ClickUp. The trigger is what starts the automation. You can pick something like New Task Created if you want time entries ready as soon as tasks appear, or Task Status Updated if you prefer to log time when work moves to a specific stage. Select the event that fits your process. Next, connect your ClickUp account. Zapier will prompt you to log in and authorize access so it can read the necessary task details, follow the prompts, confirm the workspace, and continue. Now set the action app to Clockify. This is where the work happens. You can choose Create Time Entry to add a completed time block, Start Timer to kick off a live timer right when the trigger fires, or Create Project if you want new projects in Clockify to mirror ClickUp projects. Pick the action that matches your goal. Connect your Clockify account and authorize your workspace so Zapier can create entries on your behalf. Once connected, it's time to customize the workflow by mapping fields. Map the ClickUp task name to the Clockify time entry description so you can see exactly what was worked on. Map the ClickUp project to the Clockify project to keep reports organized. If you assign tasks in ClickUp, map the assignee to the corresponding user in Clockify, making sure names or emails align between tools so entries land under the right person. Before going live, run a test. Zapier will pull a sample task from ClickUp and attempt the chosen action in Clockify. Check that the description, project, and user look right, and confirm the time entry or timer appears in your Clockify workspace as expected. When everything looks good, turn on the Zap. From now on, Zapier will watch ClickUp for your chosen trigger and automatically create or start time entries in Clockify. That's it. Your integration is live, consistent, and ready to streamline your tracking.